Right, let's document this again. And this is the last video of the night, and I will be disputing it again. Yeah? Understand that the BBC is classed as a public service. They're not even supposed to advertise anything. Yeah. But they like to act as a private company when they feel like it. They need to be able to decide, which they are. It's a very strange business model they've got going on, to be honest. I doubt if it's actually legal. But there you go. So, I've just uploaded this video, right? Here, the dove from above, yeah. Now it's blocked though, yeah. All countries affected, right? But I'll show you where I've just got the video from now, and I'll prove it to you, yeah. Because I'll go back to my channel here, and I'll go to history, yeah. See that? History. And then I'll go to Jay Davis's channel, which is that video there, yeah? Because I've just been having a flick through Jay's channel, just for the sake of it, yeah? Probably because I was bored. And there's the video. I've just renamed it, look, yeah, but it was my video originally. I just donated it to Jay's channel, yeah. And there's the video, yeah. It hasn't got any, it's been up a year, look, a whole year. It hasn't got any copyright claims against it whatsoever, yeah, on Jay's channel, my good friend, yeah. Nothing there. It's been up a year. All I've done is re-upload that video and change the title. But as you've seen, blocked worldwide. Exactly the same video, got 122, yeah? Go back, 122, 122, same video retitled. It's my footage originally. So Jay's allowed to have the footage on her channel when she didn't originate it. But the originator of the video is apparently at 1 year, a whole year later, isn't allowed to upload it anymore. And do you know why? Because too many people have found out about the bird now and they don't like it. And they know that that's a fucking cracking video that needed to be re-uploaded. Nice one, sis. In a bit.